Alright guys, just like any time with these louvers, you make a U, they pop out. Look at that. And I can't find the other one. I don't know where it is. But they're plastic. I mean, not after today though. Alright. Mask up. Oh Lord. You guys look at this. There's a freaking snail. Look at that. Ah. Burn. Alright, so you heard that change of sound? That's in the periscope. Alright. Now, I'm going to go at it in reverse. Now, if you have a segmented brush, you better not hit reverse on that drill because it won't come apart at the brush head. Oh, no. It's going to come apart at one of the connected sections, and then you either get to go find it yourself or call somebody like Steve. Yeah, that's in the periscope. Man, goodness, this was a lot more than I expected, and it's not gonna look like much on the GoPro, but a lot more than I expected. Let's see.